Welcome. Today we take part 2 of the chapter trigonometric function, compound, multiple and submultiple angle. Let us solve few problems. Our first problem is if x square plus y square is equal to 1, then 3x minus 4x cube whole square plus 3y minus 4y cube whole square is equal to, first option, 1 plus x square plus y square, 0, 1, 1 plus xy. So, given x square plus y square 1 is equal to 1, and to find the value of that which are given in terms of x and y. That if I take x is equal to sine theta, y is equal to cos theta, this is satisfied. So from there I can take x is equal to sine theta and y is equal to cos theta. And the given expression to be determined is 3x means 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta, its whole square, plus 3y, 3 cos theta minus 4 cos cube theta whole square. It is sine 3 theta. The sine square 3 theta plus, it is actually by taking minus common, 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta whole square. This is cos 3 theta minus cos 3 theta whole square. So it is equal to sine square 3 theta plus minus sine cos square 3 theta, that is simply cos square 3 theta. So it is 1. So this first option, second option is correct. Now let us take the second problem. If cos cube theta plus 3 cos theta sine square theta is equal to q, and sine cube theta plus 3 sine theta cos square theta is equal to p, then which one is true? First option I am giving here, p plus q whole square is equal to 2, p minus q whole square is equal to 2, p plus q to the power 2 by 3 plus p minus q to the power 2 by 3 is equal to 2, and last option is p plus q whole cube is equal to 2. So Here you see P plus Q is equal to this P plus that Q is equal to sine cube theta plus 3 sine theta cos square theta plus 3 cos theta sine square theta plus cos cube theta. It is equal to sine theta plus cos theta whole cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Similarly, we get, from there I can write p plus q to the power 1 by 3 is equal to sine theta plus cos theta. Similarly, from using these two, p minus q, it is equal to sine theta minus cos theta whole cube. That is, it gives p minus q to the power 1 by 3 is equal to sine theta minus cos theta. Now, squaring and adding these two equations, we get p plus q to the power 2 by 3 squaring and adding is equal to this square plus that square, sine theta plus cos theta whole square plus sine theta minus cos theta whole square. Actually, it is equal to sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1, and the product term is 2 sine theta cos theta. For this case, sine square theta plus cos square theta is again 1, and product term is minus 2 sine theta and cos theta. So product term of this and that, they balance. So this is simply 2. So our option is p plus q to the power 2 by 3 plus p minus q to the power 2 by 3 is equal to 2. So second option is correct. Now take next problem. And next problem is p cos alpha plus q sin alpha is equal to 2a is equal to p cos beta plus q sin beta. Then value of cos alpha plus cos beta is options 4ap by p square plus q square, 4aq by p square plus q square. Next, 2ap by p square plus q square, 2aq by p square plus q square. तो You see, the given expression is P cos alpha plus Q sin alpha is equal to 2A. At the same time, P cos beta plus Q sin beta is equal to 2A. So, two equations are given. Now, from first one, it is Q sin alpha is equal to 2A minus P cos alpha. From this, Q sin A is equal to 2A minus Q. Actually, you see, we have to find value of cos alpha plus cos beta. We try to find one equation, quadratic equation involving cos alpha and cos beta. For that purpose, try to make this is a quadratic equation in terms of sin alpha. Squaring both sides, q square sin square alpha is equal to 2a minus p cos alpha whole square is equal to 4 square minus 4ap cos alpha plus p square cos square alpha. It is q square into 1 minus cos square alpha. This one. So this is equal to that. So collecting coefficients of cos square, then cos etc., we get p square plus q square cos square alpha. Actually, it is taken into that side. After that, minus 4ap cos alpha, this one. And constant term is 4 square minus q square by that's all. That is equal to 0. So now clear that it is a quadratic in cos alpha. I have considered only that part. If we consider this part, this will be another quadratic in cos beta because there is only beta, no alpha is there. So considering this, we get p square plus q square cos square beta minus 4ap cos beta plus 4 square minus q square is equal to 0. So we get two quadratic equation, one involving cos alpha and other involving cos beta. From these two, we can say that cos alpha and cos beta are roots of p square plus q square into x square minus 4ap x plus 4 square minus q square is equal to 0. Once again, I am repeating. We have in our hand this equation and that equation. From these two, we can say that this is a quadratic equation. Its one root is cos alpha because of that. Other root is cos beta because of that. So cos alpha, cos beta are roots of that. Therefore, we can say sum of the roots cos alpha plus cos beta, it is equal to 4ap by p square plus q square. That is option, first option is correct. If from there many problems can be cited. If it is given that find the value of cos alpha into cos beta, then cos alpha, cos beta are roots of that. Just now we have proved it. Therefore, product of the roots cos alpha into cos beta is 4 square minus q square by p square plus q square. Two problems. Similarly, Another problem can be cited there. That problem is, it is in terms of cos alpha, cos beta, sin alpha, sin beta, sin alpha plus sin beta, or to find sin alpha into sin beta. For that purpose, what to do? From this equation, you try here, from this we find a quadratic in cos alpha. Now from there very easily we can find a quadratic in sin alpha and sin beta by same approach. And after some time we can say that this type of we can get this type of equation whose roots are sin alpha and sin beta. So sin alpha plus sin beta can be obtained. Sin alpha into sin beta can be obtained. You practice for that one yourself. Next problem. So our next problem, the value of tan x plus 2 tan 2x plus 4 tan 4x plus 8 cot 8x cot 8x is, or minus cot x is there. The value of that is, now options are there, 1, minus 1, 0 and 8. These are the options. So the given expression is in terms of cot x, tan 2x, tan 8x, cot 8x and minus cot x. We simplify first tan x minus cot x. Actually I have taken this and that. The value of this is 1 by cot x minus cot x is equal to 1 minus cot square x divided by cot x. Now formula of cot 2x is equal to cot square x minus 1 by 2 cot x. So this can be written as this. So it is equal to minus, if it is cot square x minus 1 by that, then it is cot 2x. So minus 2 cot 2x. So now we get this minus that is minus cot 2x. So our expression is minus 2 taking common cot 2x minus tan x, or rather this is minus cot x plus tan 2x plus 4 tan 4x plus 8 cot 8x. This is already considered. Now by same approach, it is tan x minus cot x. It is equal to minus 2 cot 2x. So this is tan 2x minus cot 2x. Result is same, almost 2 into 1 minus will come. The minus, this 2 is there, into 2 cot 4x plus 4 tan 8x 4x plus 8 cot 8x. Now this is minus cot 4x minus 4 cot 4x plus 4 tan 4x. Combining these two, again we will get together is minus 8 cot of 8x and this plus 8x is there. So they cancel and answer is 0. So first of all, we simplify tan x minus cot x. It is equal to minus 2 cot 2x. Then using this and that by same approach, this and that together is minus 4 tan 4x. Minus 4 cot 4x. Minus 4 cot 4x and that they together is minus 8 cot 8x, and they together is 0. So third option is correct here. Now let us take the next problem. Next problem is 2 sin square b plus 4 cos of a plus b into sin a sin b plus cos 2b 2 into a plus b. Just 1 minute. 2 sin square b plus 4 cos a plus b sin a sin b plus cos 2 of a plus b. That is, there are 4 options. The result of that is number 1, independent of a. Number 2, independent of b. Number independent of both a and b, and last option is depends on a and b. Actually the expression involves sin a cos a plus b sin a into sin b, etc. So that is involves a and b. By simplifying, we have to find whether it is independent of a, independent of b. That is, no b will be there, no a will be there, a and b both will be absent, so constant, etc. So let us try to simplify. First of all, this is a big expression. Try to simplify it first. 2 sin square b plus 2 cos a plus b. Here is this 4, I have taken 2 into 2 sin a sin b plus cos 2 into a plus b. That is only what I did. 4 is taken 2 into 2. That 2 is given with that. It is a formula 2 sin a sin b. So 2 sin square b plus 2 cos of a plus b. 2 sin a sin b, it is formula of sine of a minus, sorry, not sine, cos. Both sine, so it is cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b plus cos 2 of a plus b. So two sin square b, this is intact. This is plus 2 cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b minus, they together is 2 cos square a plus b plus, this is cos of 2 of A plus B. Now it is of the type 2 cos C into cos D. It is 2 sin, it is intact sin square B plus 2 cos C into cos D. So it is equal to cos C into cos D is simply cos of C plus D plus cos of C minus D. Cos of C plus D. C plus D means 2A plus cos of C minus D means 2B minus 2 cos square A plus B, and this is with that, or just 1 minute, plus cos of 2 of A plus B. The space is very small. I'm just now I'm checking this one. This is this into that, and this is that. Okay. Now 2 sin square B plus cos 2A this is 2 cos square theta of the type 2 cos square theta. So cos 2 it is actually 2 cos minus 2 cos square 2 cos square theta means cos 2 theta minus 1 plus cos of 2 into A plus B. So this cancels. It a cos 2A cos 2B is there, cos 2B, cos 2A, cos 2B is this, but it is with that, minus cos 2 cos square A plus B means cos 2 of minus 1 minus that. So now we get this is equal to 2, not 2, it is cos 2A, this one, plus cos 2B, and thing left is minus 1 plus 2 sin square B. Taking minus common, 1 minus 2 sin square B. It is cos 2B. So this minus cos 2B, just now, cos 2A plus cos 2B minus cos 2B. So only thing left is cos 2A. That is, the whole expression depends only on A. So we can say it is independent of B. Independent of B. So second one is correct. Our next problem. Better we clean it because space is very much insufficient. Our next problem, the least and greatest value of 12 sine theta minus 9 cos theta plus 12 cos cube theta minus 16 sine cube theta plus 1. The greatest and the least and greatest value of this expression is, options are there. Number 1, minus 5, 7. That is, least value is minus 5, greatest value is 7. Then 5, 12. Then minus 4, 6. And last one is minus 4, 8. Here sine theta, sine cube theta, cos theta, cos cube theta. So I try to use the value of formula of sine 3 theta and cos 3 theta. So from this and that, taking 4 common, 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. And from these two, take plus 3 common. Then it is, taking plus 3 common, it is equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. This is 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta is simply sine 3 theta. So 4 into 4 into sine 3 theta, and 4 sine cube theta minus 3 cos theta, it is equal to 4 cos cube minus, so this is equal to 3 cos 3 theta plus 1 is there, plus 1. Now it is simply linear combination of sine 3 theta and cos 3 theta. Their greatest and least value to be calculated. For that purpose, we have to divide throughout by root over of 4 square plus 3 square, that is 5. So it is 5 into 4 by 5 sine 3 theta plus 3 by 5 cos 3 theta plus 1. It is equal to 5 into sine of 3 theta plus alpha, where cos alpha is equal to 4 by 5 and sine alpha is equal to 3 by 5. So you have to mention it, but in case only option is required, no need of mentioning, etc. So it is 5 sine of that. Its maximum greatest value is 1. Minimum value is minus 1. So its least value is minus 5 plus 1. That is minus 4. And greatest value, it is 1. So it is 5 plus 1, 6. So minus 4 and 6. This is the correct option. Now next problem. So next problem is value of cos 20 degree plus 2 sine square 55 degree minus 1 minus root 2 cos 25 degree is, and options are 1, 0, 3 and 2. That is, options are numerical values. So with 55 sine 55 degree, cos 55 degree, etc., its value somehow to cancel or to put their values, etc. For that purpose, it is 25. I can write it as 45 minus 20. 45 minus 20. So this one. And this to be rearranged like, say, cos 20 minus 1 minus 2 sine 55 minus root 2 cos of 45 minus 20. Oh, let us see. Cos 20 minus 1 minus 2 sine 55 এটা 55 or not? Oh, sorry. This is sine square 55 degree. Sine square 55 degree. And minus 1 was there. ঠিক আছে. Okay. This is root 2 into cos of a minus b cos 45 degree into cos 20 minus plus sine 45 degree sine 20. This cancels cos 20 and they together is cos 20. This is equal to minus of 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Cos 2 theta actually equal to cos square theta minus sine square theta. It is 1 minus 2 sine square theta. This is equal to that. So it is 1 minus 2 sine square theta means it is equal to minus of cos of 2 of 55 degree minus they together is root 2 1 by root 2 sine 20 degree. It is equal to minus cos of 90 plus 20 minus sine 20. Now we get it is sine of 20 degree with negative sign because it is lies in second quadrant. So sine 20 minus sine 20. So 0 answer. So second option is correct. Our next problem. The value of sine pi by 16 sine 3 pi by 16 sine 5 pi by 16 sine 7 pi by 16 is, options are 1 by 8, 1 by 16, root 2 by 16, 1 by 4. This is product of sine and angles are increasing regular interval, pi by 2 pi by 16 interval. Now, if I rearrange the terms like that, sine of pi by 16 into sine of 7 pi by 16, I take this and that, and they together sine of 3 pi by 16 and sine of 5 pi by 16. So both are of the type sin c into sin d. If I take half here and 2, similarly another half there into 2. 2 sin a sin b, one formula. So half of sin a sin b cos of a minus b, a minus b. A minus b is 6 pi by 16, that is 3 pi by 8, minus cos of a plus b, cos of a plus b, 8 pi by 16 means pi by 2, which is 0. Similarly, another half is there, so they together can be taken as 1 by 4 into, this is same formula, sine of a minus b, that is cos of a minus b. A minus b is 2 pi by 16, that is pi by 2 pi by 16, that is pi by 8, minus cos of a plus b. 8 pi by 16 means pi by 2. This is again 0. So we get 1 by 4 cos of 3 pi by 8 minus 0 and cos pi by 8 minus 0. So it is equal to 1 by 4 into 2. That is, I have taken 2 cos A cos B, another formula. Cos of 3 pi by 8 into cos of pi by 8. Now the formula is 2 cos A cos B. It is 2 cos A cos B, it is equal to 1 by 8 into cos A cos B. Both are to cos, both are cos and with positive. Cos of a plus b, 4 pi by 8 plus cos of a minus b, 2 pi by 8, that is pi by 4. So this is once again 0. So 1 by 8 into cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. So it is equal to root 2 by root 2 in there, root 2 into 8, so 16. So this option is correct. So if you feel that this video is helpful for you, you please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you.